Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I am JR, and today you're looking at the back of my truck from my drone. This is a video I wanted to make for quite a while because it just seems fun. And no matter what, I know that there will be stupid fucking comments in the comment section because that's how the comment section goes. But I'm going to cover a few things here. Number one, this video is for fun. It's for entertainment. That's it. I'm not out trying to harm anybody or be a creep or anything else. Number two, Michigan is not a two-party consent state. That means I don't need your consent to film you. Not from my camera, not from my GoPro, not from my phone, not from my drone. If you are in public and easily visible, I can film you. I don't typically do that to people. I don't get off on sticking my camera in people's faces. But like when I'm at the junkyard, if you're in the junkyard and you happen to be in the video, I don't have to do anything. You're in a place that can be filmed, so you can be filmed. Number three, you do not own the airspace above your property. So I know inevitably there'll be, you look at my daughter's fertile tits and I shoot your drone. You don't own the airspace above your property. That is true everywhere in America. How the hell else would planes fly? They need 50,000 different permissions every 23 feet. So, I'm not out to harm anybody. I'm not out to defraud anybody. I'm just having fun. We're going to go take a look at the junkyard from a drone, which seems like a good time today. So I got my DJI here. I got Peanut being naughty in the back seat. We're going to take off and see what we can see. And the reason...
Home point updated.
The reason that I've wanted to do this for so long is, like, it seems fun, for one thing. But also, like, have you ever went to the junkyard and been like, man, I don't know if they have what I want. And I don't know if I want to pay the money to go in there. So, look at all these service trucks they got. That's pretty cool. I was just kind of curious if you could correctly identify stuff in the yard from a drone. And it looks like you can. So, I mean, we got a bunch of Super Duties here. We got some Ford cars. Now, you're definitely not going to be able to, like, pull in and be like, oh, look at that Taurus. That's a 3.0 liter. I don't know. Maybe you would. Let's see. Let's see this Taurus. The hood's all peeled back, and there's nobody around. So, my drone has a 2x zoom. Well, I don't know Taurus engines, so I don't know what that one is, but... somebody will probably be able to tell what that is. Interesting. One thing I found with my drone is, like, the higher it is, the better the signal is. Oh, look, a Volkswagen. Maybe it's a TDI. Oh, there's a Jetta right next to it. Nice thing about Volkswagens is they typically say right on the trunk. And this one doesn't. So... neither does that one. No TDI. Also, this junkyard here happens to close in like 15 minutes. So, oh, there's a cell tower right there. One of the legitimate uses for drones is to, like, inspect cell towers. If you ever watch these, like, how I made $1 million a week with my drone videos, I still have really good signal. Over to the Dodge section. Looks like I got Chevys to the left. Yep. And Dodges to the right. And then here's another useful thing. Like, those are all the cars in the bullpen that haven't made it to the yard yet. So you can see what will be there someday. I really like this yard, by the way. I'm not trying to like do anything weird with these people, but I wonder if this is high enough, if the people notice it or not right now. Durango Alley. There's all the Dodge Nitros. Back to the Durangos. That dude doesn't notice a thing. It's pretty loud too. What we got there? More GMs. Trailblazers. Let's dip back over here. Back into the Chevy section. Maybe we can find us an LS from space, or at least from my truck and the air conditioning. Look at that. There's a 4L60. That's a crew cab. I don't know if it's a 2500 or not. Oh look, a cowl hood for an OBS. How lovely. There's another crew cab. There's a Camaro, 5th gen. There's Tahoe Alley. I like this yard that they kind of, it's like all the Tahoes and Suburbans kind of grouped together. They're not quite perfect with it, but pretty good in their groupings. What we got over here? Jeeps. It's always hard to tell what kind of logic people will come up with. Like here they put all the Jeeps together, and then there's a PT Cruiser in the middle of it all. Liberties. Liberty Bibberty. Looks like we got a JK. What is this mess of a thing? Is that a Renegade? I think it is. Huh. That guy saw the drone. I need more practice before I really decide that this is a thing I can do effectively. But this is fun. I wonder if you guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is pretty neat. And interesting. I find it, like, man, I covered this whole yard in a fraction of the time. Oh, a Thunderbird. 2 Thunderbirds. A Galaxy. Oh, they got all the classic stuff back here. Look at that. Square bodies. A Wagoneer. Is that a 40 Ford? Zephyr. Ram Charger. Woo! That's some treasures. We found the treasures, boys. The other thing about the junkyard is, like, some of the people have warrants and stuff, you know. They can get a little sketched out. Man. That's some good stuff. Even, is that a Ranchero? It is. So we got a Chevelle. This poor dude's had me right over his head. I'm sorry, buddy. Like I said, I don't really care if I offend anybody, but I'm not out to, like, do that. So, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is fun. Where am I at? I'm over there. There's my truck. There's me. Can you guys see me wave? No. How about now? You sure can. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time on The Driveway Engineer. Enjoy. Let me know what you think. This is an awesome tool. I need to get better at it, but for a first outing, very good. We'll see you guys.